So, if this is real carbon fiber, somebody let me know, I guess. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and the Skyline back here with another video. This video, I guess, is going to be de-ricing my Skyline. I am going to be putting the exhaust back on today because, here, I'll show you guys real quick. It really shouldn't be hard. It's like 2 bolts and then 2 hangers. I feel like I should be able to do it, but I'm going to the beach this weekend to see Ryan and some of his friends, and it drones a little bit more than I would like it to be honest. And then besides that, it just looks incomplete here with a hole in the bumper and no exhaust. So I'm kind of tired of that. Let's get this thing in the air and put the exhaust back on. Alright, so you might ask yourself, Fitz, why in the world are you cleaning your exhaust that is just gonna get dirty again? Hold on a second, okay? So I started wiping it off and I was like, dang, why does this look like it's carbon fiber? So if this is real carbon fiber, somebody let me know, I guess. I mean, whether it is or not, it looks cool. Looks better clean, but I finally got this thing on after wrestling with it. Had to use like big boy pliers, but I just cleaned this up and like cleans up pretty nice. It might dry to like that oxidated thing, but I don't know. It's like textured. Anyways, let's get this thing back on the car. Did I record that last bit in full speed instead of time lapse? Yeah, I did. So you'll see it like cut up, but still it's kind of annoying. This still doesn't stick out far enough. I mean, oh well. I don't actually shoot flames. Will it make it look like I do? Yeah. Getting this on was a lot easier than taking it off, to be honest. I don't know why. I feel like I'll have a little exhaust leak at that little flange. I guess I don't know what to call it, but what I just connected right there. But let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. Also, real quick, this just pisses me off so much. My OCD is like like these little spaces. Anyways, let's turn on the car. Wish me luck. That was a pain in the ass, but it's back on and that flange should be reconnected properly. So I don't know, properly is the right word, but a lot better. Yeah, so here you go. I don't know if you guys can see the exhaust, but I hope you can. Learning lesson number like 8,000 with Fitz. Torquing it didn't work, so let's go to advance, get an exhaust bolt, I guess, and I'm gonna see if they have like gaskets, like exhaust gaskets for flanges like that. So here we go, boys, here we go. All right, so before it gets really chapsky, I'm gonna run to Sheets, grab a coffee, and then we'll head to advance. If you guys are wondering what I got classic coffee and then like caramel flavored cream from this thing, so bet. So we're back. That thing's still in the air. Also, I'm still loving the pit bike, but we got some more bolts, some nuts, and tailpipe sealer. I don't know how to use this stuff. I'm about to look it up. I couldn't find another gasket for it, so I'm just gonna work with what I have right now. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so sorry this is a weird angle here, but some of you may be wondering, Fitz, was that an absolute shit show? yeah it was. Did I get it? Yeah, I think so. So let me show you guys what we got. We have, oh come on, please focus. There it goes. All right, so we have the old gasket, all the sealer, and I'm supposed to let this dry. Oh, and the new bolts too. Let this dry for 30 minutes, come back out, clean whatever else. We'll like start it and then clean whatever else isn't fixed, touch it up, and then we should be good. But I mean, that's already starting to like harden, but I probably will put a second layer on here either tonight or at some point in the future. But yeah, looks pretty good. Was that difficult? Kinda. Being upside down under a car in the dark is not the best. Pretty dirty, like always, really. But yeah, now we wait 30 minutes. This guy local to me literally just took off his wiper blade for his Skyline, like the arm and the blade, and I want to see if he'll let me buy it. So fingers crossed. I'll update you guys in like 30 minutes. All right, so it's absolutely freezing out here right now. I've just been cleaning up. You're supposed to let it dry for 30 minutes and then let the car run for 10 minutes, which is good because I need to let this thing warm up. Just common courtesy for, you know, having an older car. Here's what it sounds like. I miss that sound, honestly. It's gonna be a lot more of a toned sound instead of crazy RB. But let's check for leaks. I know you guys aren't gonna be able to feel this, but that is 2,000% better. A lot more noise, and you can see just straight up exhaust coming out. Is my camera that dirty? Is that better? No, it just doesn't do the best in the dark. But yeah, I'm actually kind of impressed with myself. I'm still learning, right? Like I might have a Skyline, I might look like I know what I'm doing, but I'm still learning. So yeah, I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do from here, but right now I do challenge you guys, just if you want to try something, just try it. Worst case, you mess up, you learn what not to do, take it somewhere, try it again later. But I'm gonna leave this running for like 10 minutes, and then hopefully we'll go do something tonight. I don't know. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. All right, so I know recording a screen is kind of annoying to watch, but this is like the best way I could see fit. So here are the specs of my wheels: 18 by 9.5 with 0 offset. And this guy's on air, but it looks so good. And these are my old wheels, actually. Not the exact ones, but, you know, same Bezurias. Gosh, I think I need a wing. I really think I need a wing, y'all. And fix my hood. Might just get a stock hood. But, yeah, so here it is. He's running, where is it? -6 degrees all around. And he's running 15mm spacers in the front, which I will not be doing. I'm hoping to get away with like 3-4 degrees of natural camber when I lower it. We'll see. I don't mind a little bit of wheel poke, rim poke, whatever. I don't want it to be pushed out super far, but a little bit would be okay. So I just thought I would show you guys that. Thought that was pretty interesting. This is gonna wrap up the video. I don't really have anything else for you guys today. This is the day this is going out, Friday. I will actually be headed to the beach the next day, Saturday, to go see Ryan. And yeah, still no update on my wheels. They should be like less than 2 weeks away, less than 2 weeks out. I gotta order tires. I am thinking about 2 35 18s should be a safe amount of stretch, and to call it a day. So anyways, this has been Fitz Miller, the Skyline, back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.